market. So international sales management, like globalization, has opened up markets and provided through untapped opportunities to companies across the world. So, with increasing competition, changing customer needs, and stagnation of the demand in the domestic markets, many companies have started looking at international opportunities. So, international sales management plays an important role in implementing the marketing policies and selling programs of all of the company in the foreign market at the ground level. The international sales manager plays the crucial role of planning and organizing the effort and ensuring that the desired results are obtained. So, a through understanding of the overall operations of the organization in the global context, an open approach to multicultural differences, and the ability to implement both the basic and the advanced levels of sales management functions is necessary for the both sales manager to succeed. So companies enter in foreign markets in search of the opportunities. So there are like chances of diversifying the market size base and the attaining a low cost of the labor and manufacturing economies of scale, first mover advantage, and faster growth rate of the economy in comparison to the home market, and some of the attractions that want companies to enter these markets, and awareness about of the pitfalls that company entry into the foreign market is also necessary to fully reap the benefits. So the strategic issues to be considered for the international sales management pertain to the marketing mix, sources of the information, and the mode of the entry into the foreign market. So the timing, scale of mode of entry are also very crucial for the success of the company. So for that, companies can adopt a different structure while operating in foreign markets. These includes use of long distance selling with local distributors, using intermediaries for operating independently by establishing a direct sale force. Due to difference in culture and traditions and associated problems, most organizations employ local people to sell their products. So, an awareness of the recruitment, selection, training, and compensation procedures for the sales force appropriate for the host country is necessary to successfully operate in a different region of the world. So, what are the roles are required for the sales manager in international market? Basic level function, that is training, evaluating, planning, compensation. So, training, teaching sales team leaders to better conceive, plan, execute, and control their sales strategy. Evaluating, analysis of the performance of your sales personnel. Planning, assessment of current sales and future prospects. Compensation, rewarding the sales personnel. Various other roles also, like, so the roles and responsibilities of the sales managers can be like, advanced level functions are strategic account management, the systematic analysis of the factors associated with the customers, conducting a negotiation, arranging agreements with the distributors, developing relations and a network locally. So the sales manager is responsible for meeting the sales targets of the organization through the effective planning and budgeting. Sales manager can't work alone, so he needs to support of his sales team where each one contributes in his best possible way and work towards the goals and objectives of the organization. So the salesperson, one who sets the targets for the sales executives and other sales representatives. So a sales manager must ensure that targets are realistic and achievable. So the duties must not be imposed on anyone. So instead, he should be delegated as be interested in specializations of the individual. So sales manager must understand who can perform a particular task in the most effective way. So it is his role to extract the best out of the each employee. The sales managers devices, strategies, and technique necessary for achieving the sales targets. He is one who decides the future course of action for his team members. It is the sales manager's duty to map potential customers and generate leads for the organization. He should look forward to generating new opportunities for the organization. So, a sales manager is also responsible for brand promotion. So, he must make the product popular amongst the consumer. So, they say a banner at a wrong place is one of no use. So, like and his responsibility is that he should motivate the team members. Like one of the most important duties of the sales manager, that he should motivate the team members. He needs to make his team work as a single unit working towards a common objective. So he must ensure team members don't fight amongst themselves and share the cordial relationship with each other. So he's like develop a lucrative incentive schemes and introduce a monetary benefits to encourage them to deliver their level best, appreciate the whenever they do good work. So he is one who takes major decisions for his team. So he should act as a pillar of support for the team and stand by their side at the hours of crisis. So as sales manager should set an example for his team members. He should be a source of inspiration for his team members. So a sales manager is responsible for not only selling but also maintaining and improving the relationship with the client. So client relationship manager is also very important. Challenges in international sales management. First one is economic environment, and that can be considered of tariff barriers, taxes on imports of commodities into a country or region. Non-tariff barriers, trade barriers that restrict imports but are not in the usual form of a tariff. So other economical factors, exchange rate fluctuations and credit controls. Legal environment, partnership laws, anti-corruption laws, intellectual property rights, and cultural environment, language, religion, education, social attitudes, and behavior.